because there were some people that got up and stated some criminal statutes in there. Are we obligated to look into these, since I'm not exactly sure what each of those... Please, Mr. Berrios, please, okay? Here we go what? Here we go what, okay? I know I heard you. There were some criminal statutes that were brought up, and I'm not exactly sure what those statutes exactly state, but is that something that we are obligated into looking into? I mean, we have residents saying Mr. Musella does a great job, this and that. You can still break a law and do something nice for someone. So one is talking about a totally different thing. But is that something that we are obligated into looking into, since residents came up here and stated criminal statutes?
Well, you had two things that were brought up. One was the local government ethics law, which is quite simply, and I don't know the situation here, I haven't seen the video, I don't know this, but if this was true, and again, I don't know whether it is or not, you can't hand credentials and get special treatment from a police officer when they pull you over. It's different if a regular person gets pulled over for speeding, and then the officer says, well, you don't have a bad driving record, I let you go. That's one situation. But if you're an elected official and that you try to use your office to obtain some advantage that another resident wouldn't be allowed to get, then yeah, that's a violation. It would clearly be a violation if that happened of the local government ethics law. And quite frankly, that would be similar, I guess as an example, would be the Port Authority Commissioner whose daughter's boyfriend was pulled over and she flashed her badge, and that falls under the State Ethics Commission. But I think she ended up paying a $1,500 fine and is found guilty of violating that. But the State Ethics Commission doesn't have control over local government officials. That would be the DCA and the Division of Local Government Services. So, yeah, you cannot offer your credentials to a police officer in order to get out of a ticket.
But I also think to the